In his book Endgame, Inside the Royal Family and the Monarch's Fight for Survival, royal commentator Omid Scobie notes that Kate Middleton, now Princess of Wales, sounds more posh than Prince William. Scobie recounts their university days at St Andrews, where William studied geography and Kate art history. They married in 2011 and have 3 children. Despite a brief split in 2007, they have been together since. Scobie describes Kate as an institutional dream come true, and attributes her refined accent to several rounds of elocution lessons. Kate has had multiple private secretaries, with some finding the role frustrating. The book also touches on Kate's strained relationship with Meghan Markle, suggesting Kate was not fond of her and often talked about her rather than engaging directly. This tension is also mentioned in Prince Harry's memoir, Spare.